everyone! So I've been getting a lot of requests to do a tutorial on my signature winged eyeliner, and today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you need to choose a liquid liner with a formula and applicator that works best for you. I prefer to use a felt tip applicator as I feel that I have more control over it. So today I will be using the Kangol On My Brow felt tip liquid liner. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is not breathe. So you want to draw a line from the outer corner of your eye in line with the tip of your brow. Some people like to use sellotape to help guide them. So you can make the line however high you want to, just make sure it doesn't touch the tail of your brow. So now you want to connect the tip of this liner to the base of your upper lash line. But you don't want to go right to the tip, you want to go just before the tip. So you just drag your eyeliner in like that. So this is also where you determine the thickness of your eyeliner. You can go for a very bold, thick liner, or you can make it thin and skinny. I like to go in between. Now you want to line your upper lash line. Make sure that the liner, the liquid liner, hugs your lashes. Always go thinner on the inner lash line. Okay, so now you want to fill in this empty space here. And now you can also see how thick this line on your upper lash line has to be. So your winged liner here on the outer corner will determine the thickness. So I just need to go slightly thicker. Remember, when you're doing a winged liner, you need to have patience. Don't breathe, don't blink, don't cough, don't sneeze, because all of that will mess it up. So if you make any mistakes, it's not the end of the world. And if you want to sharpen the line, always use a flat brush with concealer, and then you just erase any mistakes at the bottom and sharpen your winged liner. So that's it from me. Ciao!